I'm not.
Close your mouth.
Not.
You're not.
How much do you like your pancakes, George Handel?
Yes.
You like?
No. No butter.
Are you gonna give your pancakes to Buster?
No.
Cause they're for who?
Joy.
George who?
Hello.
Is that your name, George Handel?
Yeah.
Oh, and what's Daddy's name?
Michael.
And what's Mommy's name?
Jessica.
And what's my last name? My name is Michael what?
Michael Daddy.
Michael Daddy. And what's Mommy's name?
Jessica.
Jessica what?
Jessica Mommy.
Jessica Mommy.
Mommy is mommy.
And what's your name?
Hello.
George Handel. And who loves you?
Daddy. Mommy.
And who else?
Buster.
And who else?
Joy.
And who else?
No.
No one else?
Papa.
Papa loves you?
Yeah.
And who else?
Mommy, Papa, how you be?
Okay. Does everybody love you?
Come, I want me.
Are you eating your pancakes?
Mommy, are you milk?
I'm drinking my milk. Are you drinking yours?
Yeah. Mommy famous. I know.
You don't have to finish yours right now. You can drink as much as you want.
Grandpa's.
Mommy, are done.
Mommy's all done.
Okay.
Yes, I don't have anything. Look at what you did to my pan, Buster.
Go away, go away, go away. Go. Go away, my child.
You can put that on.
Go away, my child.
Hey, Georgie.
Go away, my child.
Georgie, what do you want to go do today?
But fuck you.
What do you want to do? Where do you want to go?
Office.
Oh, you want to go to the office today?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to go to school?
No. Pancake.
Okay. You want to go shopping for a new car?
No, like.
Oh, you want to go buy a truck, not a car. You want to go shop for a new truck? Okay. And you want a big truck or a small truck? Okay.
This is my house. With the you. Buster.
Buster, I think George is dropping some stuff on the floor for you.
Buster.
Do you love your food, George Handel?
Yeah.
What'd you have last night for dinner?
Mom.
Your favorite? What'd you have?
I tried the television. I can't
What's your favorite food?
pancake.
Pancakes? What's your favorite dinner?
Daddy fed dinner. Uh-oh.
George Handel. Okay, say bye-bye.